Everybody, this is Ankita from Ankita's Art Castle. Welcome to my channel, and I'm with you with a new idea that how to reuse the old cardboards and calendars. Let me show you how I made the DIYs, which I'm going to show you now. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you. The needed materials are the white sheet, one of the CD DVD marker, that's color is black, long scale, this is a razor and a Tixo. Keep remember that you have to use it in a parent's presence. This is a glue, pencil and sketch pens if needed, and waste calendar. That's it, nothing else is needed for this. And let me start how to make this. First of all, I have folded this calendar. This is better way to fold your calendar. And next, I'm going to take a long scale and keep it here and cut the page. I have kept the scale. Keep remember that before you cut the size of the scale, first you have to stick a white sheet on this, otherwise whichever color you need you have to stick upon this calendar. Here I'm going to use this waste white sheet which I used already. If you have the new one you can use the new one, but we have to remember that we have to reuse the waste, so I'm going to use this paper for putting on this. First of all, I'm going to take a glue and I'm going to stick it on the calendar. Let I show you. It is perfectly done. I have stuck it on the calendar. Now I'm going to take this ruler and I'm going to keep it here and mark the correct length of the scale so that I could cut in the correct manner. Before taking the measurement, you have to remember that it should be straight and the glue mark should not be there on the paper. Now I'm going to cut it at the size of the length of the scale. Let me cut and show you. I have marked it properly. Now I'm going to cut it. Now I have cut it properly and it is open here. I'm going to stick it with the Tixo. I'm not using the Tixo now. I'm going to stick it with a glue. Let me stick. It has not perfectly stuck, but when we put upon the Tixo, it gets stuck properly. Now let it be. Let's go to the design of the scale. I mean the calendar, waste calendar. Sorry, I did not inform you that what I'm going to do. The thing I'm going to do is a long scale. DIY long scale with a waste calendar so that you can use it. It's a carryable and it does not break at all. It's a very useful thing. That's it. You can travel, you can carry it at travels and all. Now I'm going to mark the points such as centimeters and inches on the scale. Now I have started to mark the centimeters with the permanent marker which I have shown you. It's a CD DVD marker of Camlin. It's very low cost and a better pen to use. I think everybody can use this Camlin pen. And let's go to our work. I'm here marking the centimeters. I think we no need the inches. If you are in the higher classes you can use the inches, but I am in lower classes. I'm in pre-high school. I doesn't need the inches. I'm studying in 7th class, so I don't need the inches, and I'm going only to mark the centimeters. अब मैंने 10 सेंटीमीटर तक मार्क किया है. अब 30 सेंटीमीटर तक मार्क करूँगी, तब तक आप देखते रहना. अब मैंने 20 सेंटीमीटर तक मार्क किया है. अब मैं थोड़ा है उसको भी कंप्लीट कर दूँगी. अब तो मैं 30 सेंटीमीटर तक कर चुकी हूँ. अब मैं इसको डेकोरेट करती हूँ। अब मैं इसको डेकोरेट करने के लिए डॉम्स कलर पेंसिल्स लाई हूँ। ये आपको बिल्कुल ऑप्शनल है, आप चाहते हैं तो इसको लगाना है, वरना आपको ये बिल्कुल ऑप्शनल है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसको थोड़ा सा डेकोरेट करूँ, इसलिए मैं इसको लाई हूँ। I have fully completed the design. It's too nice. If you want, you can try at home. And I have already stuck the Tixo upon this so that it won't tear easily. I have stuck the Tixo. I think it's too nice. If you want, you can try at home. It's a reusable and best way to reduce the waste. I think everybody tries at home. Thank you. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can notify at first with the new ideas. Thank you.